And welcome to Reduce Reboot Recycle, a company dedicated to lateral thinking with withered technology. My name is VBot, and I will be your guide to maintaining and upgrading your old PC to make it run like new. We'll cover topics from scanning for viruses and malware all the way to disassembling your graphics card to renew the thermal paste. Now, I know computers can seem scary, especially when they're misbehaving, but here at RRR, we're dedicated to giving you the tools you need to reduce the amount of old tech in the landfill, reboot your machine into new life, and recycle it when it's too far gone. So stick around. We'll have tutorials up soon, and hopefully we'll be out of this dreaded lab space the next month or so. Stay tuned. We look forward to helping you succeed in reviving your old equipment. And if you're within our service area, don't hesitate to email us. We can be out in a snap to help diagnose and repair your machine quickly and efficiently. We offer reasonable rates and always courteous artificers. So stick around, put your thinking caps on, and let's save some tech.